Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing easy and healthy meals that you can make this summer in 10 minutes or less, featuring Daily Harvest. And thank you to Daily Harvest for sponsoring this video. I've worked with Daily Harvest before and I get tons of DMs as well as comments saying, "Are you the girl on the Daily Harvest ad in the red blazer?" And I'm like, yes, that's me. So I thought it was only right to come back with another blazer since the first one was so memorable. So if you haven't heard of Daily Harvest makes it really easy to eat more real fruit and vegetables every day, and it's made to keep up with the pace of your life. No matter if you're busy, a stay-at-home mom, no matter what you have going on, they just make food that is super convenient for you. One of the things that I love about Daily Harvest is that they deliver delicious food built on whole fruits and vegetables right to your door, and everything is ready to enjoy in minutes. Their food is always gluten-free, dairy-free, and plant-based without any gums, fillers, or refined sugars or artificial anything, so it fits with any dietary preference you choose. They have over 90 options for any time of the day, flavor profile, or taste preference, and you can choose a plan of 9, 14, or 24 items that come weekly or monthly. They offer flexible deliveries and the ability to add items, change boxes, sizes, and selections, and also you can skip weeks, girl. And that's one thing that I really love about it, because like I said, they're super convenient for you. They do all the work in the back end, so no more writing out lists or having the meal prep or going to the grocery stores to try and find the right ingredients for your meals and what's going to be the healthiest option for you. Daily Harvest take care of everything and is literally at your fingertips. I always say this, I am a full-time influencer, so between collaborations, editing, and creating content, I'm also a pet mom. So I just have a lot of things going on, and I love meals that are like just quick and easy and something that I don't have to put a lot of thought into, where I can just in the morning make a quick smoothie and then I can just walk Zane and just be about my day. Also throughout the day I can make quick little harvest bowls and I'm fulfilled until dinner time, and then at dinner I can pop a flatbread into the stove, so it's just so easy, and literally it takes only minutes to make. Anytime you're opening up your smoothies, your flatbreads, or your harvest bowls, things like that, you're going to be able to see those ingredients right in front of you, and that's what we love. As a new customer, you'll choose a plan of how many items you want, 9, 14, or 24, and how often you want them delivered, either weekly or monthly. So with over 90 options across 11 collections, they got something for everyone. Like I said, you have the opportunity to add additional items, change boxes sizes, swap out selection. You can skip a week and manage all of your deliveries. Whenever your delivery arrives to your front door, all you have to do is take everything out and pop it into your freezer. The food only takes one step to prep and you're ready in minutes. You just blend, soak, or heat depending on the instructions on the packaging. So yes, you guys, make sure you check out Daily Harvest. There will be a link in the description box below, and don't forget to use my code Daiquan so you can get up to $40 off your first Daily Harvest box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. The first thing that we're going to be making is this smoothie. Now I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, like this literally is my favorite thing to make. So here's the strawberry and peach smoothie. Their smoothies are so nourishing, meticulously sourced and crafted, and they're so delicious, you guys. Again, it has all of the ingredients right here: strawberry, banana, peach, raspberry, oats, and goji berry. And then down here it has the instructions right here. Again, super duper easy to make. You literally just fill the cup to the top with your preferred liquid, you put it in the blender, and then once you blend it, you put all the ingredients back into this cup. It literally has a place here for the straw. Talk about convenience. Like Daily Harvest is literally the epitome of convenience. So I have the oat milk here, and like I stated, I'm just gonna fill it all the way up to the top. And then let's go ahead and head over to the blender. All is blended, so I'm just gonna put it back into the cup. You just go ahead and put the lid back on, super easy, and your straw. It literally tastes like a strawberry and peach smoothie. I can really taste like the strawberry and the banana. I feel like the oat milk really brought out the oats in here. It is just so freaking flavorful. I love it. It is already like sweet, just I guess with the real fruits that's already in here. Zane even wants some of this. Zane, you want some of Daily Harvest smoothie? I love just how convenient this is. You can only imagine like how this is super helpful for me in the mornings. I'm getting all the nutrients that I need, especially right in the morning. And it only takes me probably about, honestly, to be honest with you, it probably takes me about 2 or 3 minutes to make. But yeah, I love this smoothie. They have so many other flavors. You just cannot go wrong with a smoothie. Moving on, here is the next item that we're going to be making. This is also something that you can eat in the morning. Oat Bowl, I really love these as well. Again, you're gonna get all of the ingredients right here at your fingertips. You have the oats, apple, cauliflower, walnut, pumpkin seed, and cinnamon. And then right here is the directions for the Oat Bowl. Again, all these ingredients right here at your fingertips. So I just have a half cup of oat milk. I'm just gonna pour it in here, just like that. And then we're gonna take this to the stove and warm it up for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so here is the Oat Bowl. This is what it looks like. I just put it here in like a little bowl. So we're just about to do a taste test on this. All right, so let's taste test the Oat Bowl. This is really good. I don't know about you guys, but if you put cinnamon in your oatmeal, this is exactly what it tastes like. It's just like cinnamon oatmeal. The apples are amazing. I personally love apples. So I really love this Oat Bowl, and like I stated, this is so easy to make, especially in the morning time when you're running late. All you need is like 2 to 3 minutes, and I literally made this in 2 minutes, to be honest with you. But all you need is like 2 minutes and you're good to go. So they're so delicious. All right, so here's another lunch or dinner option that you can make if you're not interested in like the flatbread. Again, you can make these any time of the day, like it's up to you. But this is called a harvest bowl. This is the broccoli and cheese, and again, you can see all of the ingredients right here. So this has broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potato, tomato, olive oil, and nutritional yeast in this harvest bowl. I've already had this before. I tried this in my last Daily Harvest video, so I already know what it tastes like. It's actually one of my favorite Daily Harvest bowls. Again, here are all the ingredients. Here you can see the broccoli, you can see the cheese, you can see the cauliflower. So I love this. If you like broccoli and cheese together, this is literally what it tastes like. But I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this on the stove for you guys. I know it's bright, you guys, but again, the ingredients is always on the packaging, which I love. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna pour this into the pan, and yes, my pan is clean. It's just stained from, you know, all the other food. So again, all you do is just pour this in, just like that. All right, so here's the broccoli and cheese harvest bowl. I'm so excited. Like I stated, I've already tried this before, so I already know what it's giving, girl. Exactly how I remember last time. You can definitely taste the broccoli. It literally tastes like broccoli and cheese. Every other ingredient is in there, but it's so good. Like, this was one of my favorites from the harvest bowls. It's definitely, like, it smells spicy, like when you're cooking it, but it's definitely not spicy at all. It does have organic sunflower seeds in it, and the sunflower seeds give it a nice little crunch. I just love it. Again, broccoli and cheese, I'm here for it. Like, I can eat like 2 or 3 of these bowls at once because it's so good. Be making is this kale and sweet potato flatbread. Now generally I like to eat this at dinner, but you can really eat this any time of the day. And then you'll turn it over, and then it will give you all of the ingredients right here. So you see that this has sweet potato, red cabbage, kale, cauliflower, spinach, and coriander. And it also gives you instructions right down here on the packaging as well. I'm about to go ahead and put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So So let's check on our flatbread. Oh, that looks so good. All right, you guys, so here's the flatbread. I let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so it can cool down. Just gonna cut it right down the middle, why not? All right, so let's go ahead and do our taste test. This is really good. So it's definitely very bold in flavor. You can really taste the sweet potato, like it gives you that sweetness, but you can definitely taste all the other ingredients such as the cabbage. I also like the fact that I'm always like pulled out of my comfort zone, like I'm not stuck into a box. I'm not really a big fan of like cauliflower, but you can't really taste it in here. They match everything so perfectly where it's just so flavorful. It's actually very flavorful, so yes, I am so happy about this. It's really good. And just like the crust, that crust does it for me too. All right, and the last two things I want to show you guys here, I like to call like my little dessert. These are just going to be perfect for whenever you need like a little snack throughout the day, you know what I mean? Or if you just have a late night craving, this is going to be so perfect for you, girl. Like I always tell my friends now, like I know I'm getting older because I'm always like after every meal, I'm like, I need something sweet. My grandma used to say that all the time. I love, love, love these scoops here. It just kind of reminds you of like ice cream. Now this is my first time trying the bite, so I'm super excited to see what it's giving. So this is strawberry rich rippled berry compote scoops. Again, here are all the ingredients back here. Don't play with Daily Harvest, okay? They're gonna give you the ingredients. So we have coconut, strawberry, dragon fruit, raspberry, vanilla bean, and probiotic in these scoops. Literally, there's no instructions to this. Just grab a spoon and go. I've already had this before, and this is so good as well. Throughout the day, if you want something sweet to just snack on, or you know, got a little midnight craving or whatever, it's okay, sis, okay? It is okay because this is organic, okay? So you're not gonna have to worry about any bad ingredients going into your body at night or feeling just too heavy whenever you're going to sleep. So this is a perfect midnight snack for you, you know, just get into bed, watch a movie. I can definitely taste like the strawberry and the raspberry in here. Very good. So this is hazelnut and chocolate bites. So I'm super excited to see what it's giving. So it has avocado, hazelnut, cacao, chai, reishi, and vanilla beans. Like, you don't even have to feel guilty for eating these sweets because it's healthy. It tastes like a brownie. It definitely tastes like a brownie. You can also taste the hazelnut that's in here. I'm not a big fan of like chocolate and hazelnut, like that's not something that I personally like, but if you love like chocolate, girl, then you're gonna love this. That's just like not personally something that I really like, so it's not my favorite. It's still good, it's still a bold flavor, so you're definitely gonna taste all those ingredients that I told you earlier in here. And like I said, to me personally, it tastes like a brownie. I definitely recommend it if you like I stated, chocolate and hazelnut together. But other than that, I am excited to try other bites that they have on their website. All right, you guys, so that completes this video on how to make easy and healthy meals in 10 minutes or less for the summer. I hope that you enjoyed it. So leave me comments down below letting me know, have you tried Daily Harvest before? If so, leave some suggestions down below. What's your favorite item from Daily Harvest? And if you haven't, make sure you click the link in the description box like I stated, and then you can save up to $40 off your first Daily Harvest box. But also, what meal were you interested in that I made today? And I just appreciate you guys for tuning in today to watch me make these meals for you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.